For today's presentation, water heater safety. Title: Stay hot and safe. Water heater safety tips for every home. Hot water is a daily necessity, but neglecting your water heater can lead to safety hazards and costly repairs. Fear not, homeowners. Today we'll become water heater wise, armed with essential safety tips for all types of water heaters, traditional, gas, and electric, and the increasingly popular tankless models. So let's grab a cup of safely heated water and join us for this 10-minute guide to hot water safety. Types of water heaters and common concerns. Let's break down the three main water heater types. Gas water heaters. They use natural gas or propane to heat water, which requires proper ventilation and regular maintenance to avoid gas leaks and carbon monoxide dangers. Electric water heaters rely on electricity to heat water, offering a simpler setup but needing attention to prevent electrical hazards and overheating. Tankless water heaters. On-demand systems that heat water instantly, saving space but requiring specific installation requirements and potential maintenance complexities. Consult your user manual or manufacturer's website for specific maintenance instructions for your water heater model. Safety tips for all water heaters. Universal wisdom. These crucial safety tips apply to all water heater types. Location. Ensure proper ventilation around your water heater, especially gas models. Never store flammable materials nearby. Temperature check. Set your water heater temperature to safe maximum, typically around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, to prevent scalding and save energy. Relief valve. Inspect the pressure relief valve regularly, ensuring it's not clogged or leaking. A malfunctioning valve can lead to dangerous pressure buildup. A malfunctioning valve can lead to dangerous pressure buildup. Leak alert. Check around your water heater for any leaks, paying attention to connections and the base. Address any leaks promptly to prevent water damage and mold growth. Additional tips for specific types. Gas water heaters. Carbon monoxide detection. Install and maintain carbon monoxide detectors near your gas water heater to alert you to potential leaks and prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Flame sensor. Have a qualified professional inspect and clean the flame sensor regularly to ensure proper gas ignition and burning. Electric water heaters. GFCI outlet. Ensure your electric water heater is plugged into a GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, outlet for added protection against electrical shock. anode rod. This sacrificial rod helps prevent tank corrosion. If you're comfortable, consider replacing it every 5 to 7 years, or call a professional to change it for you according to your manufacturer's recommendations. Tankless water heaters. Professional installation and maintenance. Due to their specific requirements and potential complexities, rely on a qualified professional for installation and regular maintenance. Flow rate monitoring. Be mindful of your water usage with tankless models, as exceeding the flow rate capacity can lead to lukewarm water. Remember, do not attempt any repairs you're unsure about. Always consult a qualified plumber. Always consult a qualified plumber. Always consult a qualified plumber for any major issues or complex maintenance tasks. By following these simple yet crucial tips, you can ensure your water heater operates safely and efficiently for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing problems and keeping hot water flowing safely in your home. Share your questions and best practices for water heater safety in the comments below. Tell us what other safety topics within your home that you would like to see covered. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of home safety champions.